Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn easy simple tricks to use continuous section break. What is the continuous section break? Continuous section break start the new session in the same page. Let's understand the continuous section break. I want to type here two paragraph. We can use R&D function for date purpose. Just type is equal to R&D and on the bracket and type 2 because we need two paragraph here and press enter. Now if I insert the two column here, just let's see what happened. Just go to the layout option and here is the option columns. Just select the two. It will divide the two column in all the pages. Just press Ctrl Z for undo. How can we break the section below this area? We can use here breaks, continuous section breaks. Just go to the breaks and here is the option continuous. Just click here. Continuous breaks start the new session within the same page. Now just click here and now if you use the two column, it will divide this session into the two column. I just use the R&D function to type the paragraph. I just type here one for one paragraph. Now if I click here, it will not move in the second column. How can we move in this area? You have to break the column. Just go to the breaks and here is the option column. It will move into the second column. Now I just type here one paragraph. Just type is equal to R&D and on the bracket and type 1 and close the bracket and press enter. Now this is a two column. This section has two column. Now if I will type the one paragraph here in all area, we will use the continuous section break again because this section contains two column and I need a one column here below this area. We will use break and here is option continuous. Just click here. Now the continuous section break again start the new session within this page. Now I just go to the column and I need one column here and now type the R&D function. Just type is equal to R&D and on the bracket and type 1 and close the bracket and press enter. That's way you can work in different section within the page by using the continuous section break. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.